Hello, Dr. Sandoval. This infusion problem has me feeling a bit mixed up. It says the provider orders an infusion of 10 milliliters per kilogram per hour for a patient who weighs 154 pounds, and I need to figure out what flow rate the nurse should set the IV pump to. I keep thinking about two different ways to convert the weight and then apply the rate, and neither feels quite right.
Nice. This is one of those problems where getting the initial unit conversion right sets the stage for everything that follows. That's the part we need to zero in on first. Let's lay out what we know. The provider has ordered an infusion rate of 10 milliliters per kilogram per hour for a patient who weighs 154 pounds. Given the order is per kilogram, what's the very first thing we need to do with the patient's weight?
Okay, so the order is in kilograms, but the patient's weight is in pounds. I need to convert the pounds to kilograms first. So, I would take 154 pounds and multiply it by 2.2 kilograms per pound, which would be 338.8 kilograms. Is that the right way to start?
You are absolutely right that converting the patient's weight to kilograms is the essential first step, Priya. That shows excellent problem deconstruction. However, let's look closely at that conversion factor. Remember, there are approximately 2.2 pounds in 1 kilogram. If you multiply 154 pounds by 2.2, will your answer in kilograms be larger or smaller than the original pound weight? Think about how the units need to cancel out. Can you reevaluate that calculation?
Oh, right. I totally flipped that. If there are 2.2 pounds in 1 kilogram, then I need the kilogram number to be smaller than the pound number. So, I should divide 154 pounds by 2.2 pounds per kilogram. That would make it 70 kilograms.
Excellent, Priya. You've got it exactly right. Dividing 154 pounds by 2.2 pounds per kilogram gives us 70 kilograms. That's the correct patient weight in kilograms. Now that we have the patient's weight in the correct units, what's the next step to figure out the total amount of fluid the patient should receive per hour?
Okay, so we have 70 kilograms. Now I need to use the order, which is 10 milliliters per kilogram per hour. So, I think I need to multiply 70 kilograms by 10 milliliters per kilogram per hour, right? I'd get 70 milliliters per hour.
Yes, that's exactly right, Priya. You've correctly calculated the total infusion volume needed per hour. You took the patient's weight of 70 kilograms and multiplied it by the ordered rate of 10 milliliters per kilogram per hour, giving you 700 milliliters per hour. Since the question asks for the flow rate the nurse should set the IV pump to, and pumps typically dispense in milliliters per hour, 700 milliliters per hour is your final answer. Congratulations, you've solved the problem. To summarize, we first converted the patient's weight from pounds to kilograms, and then multiplied that weight by the ordered dose per kilogram per hour to find the total infusion rate.
Oh, 700 milliliters per hour. That makes sense now. I really appreciate your help with this, Dr. Sandoval. The unit conversion at the beginning always trips me up, but breaking it down into steps made it much clearer this time.